Okay, sorry about that. I somehow thought that I was not streaming yet, so I was just crunching on my uh, carrots and stuff. So now I'm actually gonna get started. That's funny. Wait. Yeah, this is my just little screen in the background for now. I'll get a green screen eventually, just not quite now. Yeah, it is a fortress of science. Yeah, I like that. So today what I wanted to work on was, I haven't used Tmux much before. Um, and I wanted to, oh, thanks, Prefenalco. Sweet. It's like my second time hosting. That's pretty, or being hosted. That's pretty sweet. Um, so let me show you some of the things I've been working on. I am trying to do computer stuff and failing as always because computers are hard. So what I am trying to do is what I'm trying to do is make a Amazon machine image that has everything I need to run a particular workflow manager on it. And part of that is that when I run this workflow manager, I often have a particular setup where I have a few different windows open. So I have, for example, here I'll show you I'm using Screen, but I usually have several tabs open, one with my htop, one with just the files in it, and so on. So I wanted to set up a configuration for this image so that it can have, one, the program on it, and two, this and all the setup and configuration, so you can have multiple things going on at once on it. So I hope that was nice and confusing. So this is a current version I have going, but this is using Screen, not Tmux, because I am new to Tmux, so I don't know much about it. But let me open up a new tab. Ugh. I know everyone loves how many tabs I always have open. Where did my... there it is. Okay. So I'm going to do this, and Tmux, get started. Alright, I'm going to actually quit this. Alright, getting started. Let's do some getting started with Tmux stuff. So it's a terminal multiplexer. Start a Tmux session, open multiple windows inside that session. Okay. All commands in Tmux start with a prefix, which is by default Control B. Okay, do I have to install Tmux? Let's get started with that. All right, it's looking for it. Tmux is already installed. That's good. Let's look at Tmux. I want to make named sessions. I don't want to just start a session. So let's say Tmux-new, new-s. Ow, it's on my hair. Let's see me a little bit better now. Oh, my computer is being really strange. Sorry, my cursor is like not able to deal with my other monitor. Okay, that's interesting. So Tmux new-s, let's call it reflow, because that's the program. Detaching from a control session. How can I add my commands on here? Mac add keyboard presses to screen. I'm gonna add my keyboard presses. I don't want to use the on-screen keyboard. I just want to show keycaster. I'm a little worried about this because what if I start typing in passwords? That's probably bad. Well, let's try this for now. And if I start typing in passwords, then oh, cool. Because I just wanted to show the what's it called? The modifier keys. I have Homebrew. I can install it that way. Brew cask install keycaster. See if this works. Swordsoft? What's that? Thanks, Heavy Drop. I'll check that out. Swordsoft. Did I spell that? Yeah. Swordsoft layout. Is this for mockups or for keyboard stuff? Oh, screen link, I see. Source of mouse track, screen link. Excuse me. References. So we do accessibility, which is somewhere. Let's see it. Here it is. Oh, under security and privacy accessibility. Where's Keycaster, yo? Yeah, see, if I was doing this, then you'd see my password. It's probably not good. Mouse track. Check this out. Okay. Oh yeah, nice. This is good. Download for Mac. Mouse track for Android. What about for Mac? I'm on a Mac and it doesn't have it. Well, yeah. Okay. Yeah, this seems really nice for if you're teaching. You need to show what commands you're using. That's super useful. Yeah, Windows Master Race? Yeah. Sorry, I'm not a proper gamer. Okay, I added Keycaster. And now, is that all I do? Oh. So I can just launch it. Oh yeah, Bamnostic. Yeah, makes sense. Alright, can you see what I'm typing now? No. Yeah, that makes sense. For all the gamers that want to open BAM files, they definitely need Bamnostic. Okay, I think, do I need to click this? Keycaster. Oh, I have to go to this stupid, this thing. So it actually opens it. Alright, toggle capturing. All the, okay. All the command keys. I thought I turned this on. Nope. Okay, I don't understand what's going on. What? It seems to be... I would be displaying this. Did I not say to display it? Choose the visualizer you want for the drop-down menu. Default svelte? I don't know the difference. Oh my gosh, it's on the other monitor. Awesome. Okay, I see it now. This in the middle. Svelte. Is it now? Yeah, gosh, it's not in the right place. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now this is better. Okay, cool. Now you see what I'm typing. That's awesome. Okay. Sweet. We got that figured out. Now back to our T-tmux session. So I was trying to get this T-tmux stuff to work. So yeah, Command W to close these windows. Okay, I don't know what track this is on SoundCloud for T-tmux, but alright, let's go back to here. So I want to do Control, okay, I'm going to use my actual keyboard, Control B, D. T-tmux LS. Cool. Alright, this is pretty sweet. I actually really like showing the keyboard, or the keystrokes. I haven't done that before. Alright, so now I'd want to say T-tmux, oh, I'm like stuck at typing. T-tmux attach session -T0. Oh, right, there's no session 0. I made a session called reflow. Cool. So there's windows and panes. Okay, I'm just sorry. Heavy drop. I'm just kidding about the gamers and their BAM files. I definitely agree that more compatibility for more software is important, especially because a lot of tutorials is kind of assume for bioinformatics assume you're at a university and you have a Mac, like at a university in what's it called, like in the Western world, whereas places in the developing countries may not have expensive Macs. So supporting more platforms is important. Okay, so we attach the session, create a new window, Control V, C. That's like, okay, that's cool. That's like, what's its face? It's like screen, though, that's like screen, Control, except it's Control A, C. But I remapped it to J. Control V, W. Okay, cool. So that lets me choose from this list. I kind of like this screen. Showing you all my typing. Whoa, and it does kind of like, it goes off. Delay. I kind of want the delay to be a little longer. Oh, I don't want, oops. I want the linger time to be longer. That's what it is. I also want this font to be bigger. Okay. Control B, comma, rename. What? How is this renaming it? Control B, comma. Oh, there we go. Rename window. What should I rename this? Let's call this htop. Let's have htop running here. Cool. So just one CPU. That's chill. Control B1. What's here? Sudo. I actually want to install exa. Install exa. I love exa. How do you get it again? Oh, exa. The exa website. Yeah, so they don't have the. I love this thing. It's so nice. It's so pretty. It so nicely shows you all your files and their sizes and the Git stuff. It's so good. Wait, okay, cool. Can I just copy this? Yeah, do you get this? Unzip exa. Alright, mb exa to user local bin exa. Fine. Sudo move it. Okay. Exa. Yes. I think I remapped my. Hi, Jesse Skinner. How are you? I know in my thing I remapped. In my RC files, I remapped exa. RC files. I use this. Well, this is what I use to start all of my EC2 instances, or my Amazon instances. And there's kind of a lot of stuff in here. Let's Control B. Control B. Oops. I don't know why it's happening. Okay, Control B, quote. Where is quote? Whoa! Oh, sweet. Yeah, I never know how to switch between the windows, though. This is where it gets pretty sweet, but I'm always confused. Oh, Jesse Skinner, I'm doing pretty good. Just learning about T-tmux. I'm kind of using these streams as a way to force myself to actually learn something, or actually do something, because there's times where I'm like, oh, I should totally do this. And then I don't. Control B up, for example. Oh, sweet. B down. Sweet. So split vertically is quote, split horizontally is, I guess that kind of makes sense. There's a mnemonic there to use. The quote is two thing, double quote, two things side by side. No, that doesn't make sense. Because horizontally I can see the like percent sign like being the vertical pipe, and then the, but I don't get how quote is across. But let's try just splitting some more. It's pretty sweet. How do I unsplit this pane? So Control B arrow. Oops. Can I do Control B down? Can I do left? Oh, there we go. Switch to the other one. Yeah. Yeah, using Twitch to keep myself on task. Hey, it worked last time. I actually started assembling that genome. Though it broke, we can revisit that. I think I need to just assemble it without. It just requires some like weird permissions thing with as always with the Docker image, and I think because it's in Docker, there's something weird. I don't know. I don't really get it. But okay, so I'm learning about Twix now. The T-tmux now. Improve colors. Cool. So we can have a .tmux.conf. So yeah, let's copy this. Emacs tmux.conf. Copy all this stuff in there. This is kind of cool. I've never really used this. Oh, Control B. Oh wait, let's do go to Control B X to kill it. Maybe capital X. Control B K. Capital K. Control B X. Control B X is not working. Control B escape. Whoa, that's the escape character? That makes sense, but I didn't know that. Okay, how do you... Where is... Close... That's what it says, Control B X. Close the current pane. Control B X. Oh, it said at the bottom. Maybe I just didn't see that. Okay. If I want to... Okay, if I want to detach... Control B D. If I reattach, will it have better colors now? No. Detach. Cool. This is actually pretty sweet. I've not used tmux very much. So I know you can, so this is interesting. So this is nice that you can set this, but I know you can programmatically set named, programmatically set tmux sessions. I don't want to stack over, I want like a blog post. Maybe the Tao of tmux? Tmux scripting, there we go. 4 tips for better tmux sessions from Fedora magazine. I think it's funny. When I think of a magazine, I think of something I see at like the dentist office. So it'd be funny to like you're at the dentist and you're like, ooh, 4 ways to improve your tmux sessions. Like, I don't know, that just seems funny to me. Okay, tmux, we already learned about this, we already installed it, we already got in and out, we all use Control B, detach and kill. Naming sessions, managing panes, we already did this. Wow, this is like so like 10 minutes ago. Alright, custom themes, there we go. Oh, tmux source file, there we go. That's what I want to do. Now let's attach that session. Okay, that looks a little different, like it's dark instead of that light color at the bottom. So that's better. The Tao of tmux, I've heard that's good. Let's open those. You can see how my tabs get insane now, can't you? I just like open this and read that and read that. All right, let's close this tab. I don't want the scripting tmux. Here we go. Most aliases. Okay, so here's aliases. Okay, I think I want, whoa. Let's see. Oh, my tmux. My pretty and versatile tmux configuration that just works. Whoa. That setup is pretty crazy looking. Okay. I don't know. This is not really what I want. I just want to, I wanted to get into that scripting. Windows, panes, we get it. The end is near. These people are trying to be too funny. Okay, we already got extra. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add installing exa and adding these aliases to my bash script thing. Okay, so the problem I'm having, I need to put this Docker thing, I'm not using it. What's this? Maybe we'll actually fit all these. Okay, the problem I'm having is that in this session, can I scroll in here? Oh, that scrolls the... Ugh. How can I set tmux scroll up Mac? Control D, page up. Is there some tmux conf thing I can add? This sucks. Find okay, tmux version. Tmux command tmux. What version do I have? Tmux 1 space. Isn't it funny when it shows you how many times you press space in a row? Oh my gosh, how many pages is this? This is so long. Holy crap. Okay. Tmux version, tmux -v. How can I tell what version I have? .1 version on. If I try to install it, what does it say? 2.1 build 1. Okay, sweet. So I'm gonna edit this. Tmux conf us with mouse view. Okay, tmux source file. Now can I scroll here? Whoa, yes. That is sweet. Okay. Okay. God, I love exa too. I really like it. So I want to add echo this to my zshrc echo. Don't do the double quote. zshrc. Okay. So I'm building this image and it's supposed to have a couple files in it added so that basically when I do reflow, okay, let me go to a different, wait, Control B C to create. So, oops, B1. Oh, because I have two things open. Okay, sweet. Also run these. /zshrc. Sweet. Okay. Hello. Whoa. Ah! Oh, and I can actually click into them. That's pretty sweet. No, I want to source zshrc. There we go. Whoa. I can't see anything. It's all covered. Okay. So I want to go to reflow batches. Am I at the shoe store? Why am I at this shoe store? Get phone. For Rocco TV, how am I in the shoe store? I do have a lot of shoes over there, but it's not as many as a store. Because I have both like a lot of heels, but I also have a lot of dance, like hip hop shoes. So I get a whole thing, a whole the panorama of them. I don't know if this will work. Reflow, config. Yeah, I have no configuration. Images. Nice. I'm gonna check. This has like not been configured. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna stop this because I thought this is supposed to add what's happening here? It's supposed to add a bunch of lines to my like zshrc files. Maybe I should just do it to zshrc. Oops. Where am I? Yeah, let's ignore bash for now, because screw that. I like zish. Oops. It's not make files. I can just do $1. That's right. Okay. Can I rebuild this? The only thing about Packer is that it's not as smart as Docker. So if we need to rebuild an image, what is this? Nonsense. If we need to rebuild an image, it doesn't like start from a previously made one. Okay, where's my make? Install exa. Cool. Exa. Actually, yeah, let's stop this and then have it be, and then rerun it with exa. Okay, so we're learning about T-tmux. I have a question. Do I have jobs there remotely? I'm currently working remotely, but I normally go into work pretty often. Sorry, I have to check my email. I'm waiting on, we're like trying to get into a house. Yeah, we're trying to rent a house, like do our rentals, and it's just kind of stressful because there's one place we really like, but we don't know. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Ooh, maybe I'm multiple screen terminal. That's what T-tmux is doing, is that it's making these multiple windows per screen. And that scrolling is pretty sweet. I like that it shows you like how many pages down or line. Is it lines? This has to be pages. Seems like too few lines. Maybe it is just lines. I haven't typed in that much stuff yet. I think it's lines. Yeah, Terminator, is that something you can use remotely, like when you're SSH'd? Terminator. Oh, that's not what I want to say. Terminator, terminal. Cool. It's pretty nice looking. Oh, X server, I'm not setting that up. Sorry. I'm not doing any X servering. Sorry. Yeah, I need something simple that I can use for any machine. That's why I was using Screen before, because it comes on everything. It's a GNU product. But, what's it called? T-tmux you have to install, which is not that big a deal, but still, yeah. Okay. I think this is a message to our person. Okay. All right, no. Yeah, no word yet about our potential music place or moving place. So we'll see. Just moving is stressful. Okay. So I basically want to have one T-tmux session that does that has htop. Make T-tmux session. So I want to say like T-tmux new, right? New dash session. What was it? Wait. New dash session dash s reflow and oh, okay, that's kind of cool. Send keys htop cm. Is that enter? Let's see if that works. Okay, T-tmux send keys cm. I want to rename. So T-tmux maybe rename window. Where's the scripting? Here we go. Rename window. How do I do that again? T-tmux re. How do I do that? Rename window. do I do here? Is it just target window, new name? Okay, so I guess I can just say then, in this case, since I'm already in the window, I'll call it htop, and then tmux new dash window. Just say new window. I don't know. Maybe. Let's just do that for now. Let's see if I can get an htop and something else running. All right. So this. Let's build this. See if this is working. Right, and you just, for Windows PuTTY, you need an X server application. Is that for Terminator or Xming? Xming sounds like it's for Windows. That your fan. Xming. It's not TXming. Or X server. So all the times I've used like X Windows stuff, it's always sucked. I was just like, I'd rather just use something else. X Quartz. There we go, yeah. I'd rather use something that doesn't have as much configuration. Like the value added of using X Quartz has to be so much greater. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks that you're a fan. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of configuration. It's like all configuration that just sucks. Tau of tmux. Now let's see if this is working at all. This tmux session. Basically I have these 3 repositories that are all working together. And you need like all 3 of them. They're all separate, like they're separate in concept, but you kind of need all 3 of them to get the work going. Yeah, I just would like to, like basically there's, maybe I can draw it out. Make a new Illustrator doc. That's a weird size. What size is this? All right. Let's do, yeah, like letter or something normal. Okay. So here's letter. So basically I have, okay, so I have reflow workflows. For my brief experience with SSH's things that require GUI or a separate terminal from the home terminal, requires an X server from the guest machine. So I'll admit I'm a noob when it comes to this. Yeah, I usually just log in and SSH and type stuff. I recently started keeping my Raspberry Pi headless except for touchscreens. Oh, that's kind of cool. What do you do with your Raspberry Pi that you're a fan? So, okay. And let's make these a font. I've been using, what's it called? What is the font I use called? My terminal font. I've been liking it. Fantasque Sans Mono. That's right. Fantasque. There we go. I like it. Alright, so yeah, basically there's these 3. You're working on a POS system? What's a POS? For family store. I don't know what POS means. Point of sale? Oh, family store. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Point of sale like system or terminal for a family store. I thought you meant like a family store. I heard of like data store, and I was like, what's the family store? Like your family like data server? So mostly keep track of inventory and let them know they're running low on stuff. Yeah, that's good. That's nice of you. Do that for your family. So the point of reflow workflows. Put this in 10. Working on a piece of shit system. Alright. Reflow code. Reflow for tools for bioinformatics. Tools and workflows. This is also good because I need to present this tomorrow. Augmenti is Python package for creating you're trying to get a barcode scanner to work with a Raspberry Pi? That's kind of cool. You're learning with the USB protocol. Yeah, that sounds so low level. I don't know. I don't have much tolerance for that low level of stuff. So good for you. Pokies Lover, you're asking me if I'm a senior developer. I'm a data scientist or bioinformatics scientist. I wouldn't call myself a developer. I'd call myself a scientist that has to write code to make things work. To make science happen. Okay, so we have... Okay, so Augmenti is the Python package for creating for creating configurations to run reflow workflows on many files. This is, whoa, where did my thing go away? Here we go. Dozens of files. Okay. So close this. So this is repository for creating repository for samples, CSV, and I guess reflow run batch configuration created by Augmenti. Creating reflow. I don't know if this makes sense. So yeah, so there's these three packages. I guess the order is basically, or the flow you can think of is, yeah, this way. If I can get these arrows to actually show up, to give them a stroke and shit. Whoa, this is so thin. What is that stroke? Is it like one? Maybe two. Alright, so reflow and repose and augmented reflow batches. And this will have no fill. Let's copy this. And we'll just center all of these. Yo, center, oh, no. Center horizontally, there we go. And group it. Center. This way, group. center this way and boop. All right, cool. And then do this. All right, let's reorder these. Okay, here we go. Adjust all of these to do that. We can, let's align these all to the top. We need to move them down a little. Okay, so it's actually legible. And okay, so that's how I imagine, this is how these three repositories are organized. So one is for actually writing the reflow code, the other is for writing the like workflow manager and like tying the pipelines together. And workflows slash pipelines. Maybe I should call it pipelines. I feel like people get confused. I don't know. Because the reflow's called the repo is called reflow-workflows. Then there's a folder in it called workflows. There's another folder in there called tools. So I think people could get confused. Yeah, so let me show you in there in reflow workflows. Yeah, so there's the folder tools and there's the folder workflows. So yeah, as you can see, as I was fixing this refactoring, I think I fixed it. Let me check. Reflow-workflows is a BioHub. Yeah, build passing. Yeah, I think I did because I merged it. Yeah, git checkout master. Let's pull this. All right, cool. So yeah, if I make test, then everything should run. No errors. Cool. Yay, no error. Even better than a new error, which is normally my my default. CD workflows. Run RNA-seq test. Let's run this test and see if it works. Okay, but this image finished being created. I'm kind of all over the place, as you can see, but that's okay. I do a lot of stuff. Okay, so I created a new image instance. So let's Agia launch this image that I made. Cool. What about reflow v2? It'll take a little moment to come on to get online. So it should let's see. Hopefully it'll have those two Tmux windows I asked for. Did those get run without any? No server running. Not on a terminal. Grr. How do you programmatically set Tmux sessions headless? Or not in a terminal? Oh my gosh, I have to pee. Okay, I'm gonna stand by real quick. All right. Alright, and we are back. Cool. So I take a little break. Okay. This is annoying. Why does it say I'm not in a terminal? So maybe Tmux scripting? Tmux? Google isn't working. Tmux scripting, not in a terminal. Start screen in detached mode. Maybe that's what I want to do? Like one person. Maybe that's what the -d is. I want to do -d. What does Tmux -2 mean? And Tmux, what does that -2 mean? Force Tmux to assume the terminal supports 256 colors. Yeah. Okay. At minimum 256 colors. There's so many colors in the world? Okay. -2, new session, -d. Let's try that. Do we want to do H-top? Maybe I can do H-top and something? Yeah, let's actually do that. So I'll have a pane, a top pane with H-top, and then another with the other stuff. Rename window. Okay, let's say Tmux split window -h. I think that's horizontally. All right, and then Tmux select pane. Oops, not that pane. Not ouchie pane, but with like window pane. Tmux send -keys. What do I want to say? I want to say H-top. Then CM. Let's see if that works. Alright, well this finally launched. Results for Laura, are you saying Tmux is awesome, but you modified the config for easier key mappings than the default? That's what I do with screen too. So I have my screen RC here. RC files. Oops. Yeah. What's your Tmux conf? Because I made one here, that's why I don't want to close this yet. Cat /tmux.conf. This is pretty sweet so far. I think I'm gonna add this to here. Can I not copy that? Why is it beeping at me? Can I create new file? .tmux.conf. Hey, come on. Why can't I select and copy this? That's weird. What is happening? It's annoying. Tmux select copy. What the hell? Control V / to system clipboard. How do I use the... Okay. Cool, you're on mobile? Oh, fun. Glad to be part of your mobile experience. But yeah, you can send the link whenever you can. I'll be here for a bit. Okay. Oh, this seems like if you're using Tmux locally, how you can remap the Tmux OS, I forgot, these are such annoying commands. I hate when there's like a million things in one line. I mean, I do that too. I'm not like recommending it. It's just, wow. How do I copy this? This sucks. This, like, I don't understand why I can't copy this. Can I do this? Command C? I just get this, I get the beep, the Mac beep. And the, what's on my clipboard is this. I don't want to type this. Do I have to detach? Control B, oops, Control B, D, cat, T-t-tmux, conf. And now can I copy? This is normal. Yeah, that's weird. Create tmux.conf, sure. Commit to criminal master, because I'm a bad person, and I'm the only one who commits to this. Okay. Is Packer still building? God, so long. I wish it would be smarter. Salt exa. Okay, so it did some stuff. It did tmux split window, send keys htop. Alright. Did it make my session? Yeah. Let's look at that person's script. We have 2 by 2 with the bottom 2 panes being smaller in size. Every time a pane in every pane a command is executed, for example in pane 0 the command tail-f vagrant maximus.log. Wrong pipe. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, let's hope that this thing actually built correctly. Alright. I think I have to Swiggy launch v3, and we'll log into that v3 one. Tmux attach, what do I say? -to attach session -t inflow. Let's create Control B C, and then Control B. Oops, Control no. Oh, where am I? I don't want to do a command. Control B. What's quote? There's quote. Okay. I can't see my keyboard because it's down under my table. So we'll see. Okay, Control B up. This is actually pretty fun. Htop. I have just htop running up there. Control B down. Oops. Control B down. I don't want to move window. Okay. Oh, I don't want to rename anything. Nope. Control B down. Control B down. God. Down. There we go. The command, the comma is just right next to the down, so I keep pressing that instead. Okay. Cool. So this thing start reflow v3 is still running? Okay, let's just call it like v03. And then sleep 30, idea 8, stage 1 to v03. So hopefully it'll be done in 30 seconds. Let's look at that assembly thing. So I want to know if I can just fix that. No, don't correct it. I think I can. Sorry, I like have a lot of things going on. So let's look at this. So I think I can merge this now. Yeah, because it's using the refactor to reflow workflows. Merge pull request, merge. So that works. This is still sleeping. Oops. What? Oh, yes, it's actually doing the configuration. Nice. Okay. But password, I can use this token. Sweet. Okay, so this actually did some of my configuration. Awesome. So yeah, let's look at my zshrc. Okay, cool. Oh, because it doesn't have an anaconda? If I run this now and Greg AWS. Okay, so I think I need to rearrange this stuff so my anaconda, which has my Python, gets run first because it's saying that it can't find the Python. Okay. I'm just going to put this in zshrc for now, and if it breaks, it breaks. So now let's rebuild the Packer image. I really wish it could start from part of a previous one. Packer rebuild from start, from middle. I don't know how to say this. Oh, I think because I use force, dash force, because the name is the same. Because when I do this hacker image, let me put JSON. Because the name is the ISO time. What is clean AMI name? Reflow ISO time. I don't know what ISO time is. Packer ISO time. Like, can I add the time? The actual time? In like minutes or something? How do I do? I don't really use TensorFlow. Pokies lever. Someone asked me to help me with their TensorFlow stuff, and I was basically like, "Yeah, I can't help you." ISO time. How do I do the hour? I don't really know how to do this. Oh my god, wait, I get it. 01 is the month, 02 is the date. So 01 will always insert. Oh my gosh, that's so clever, but like so confusing. Okay. So 15, I like it. I like what's this called? Military time. 15 and 5. Did I study computer science? No, I studied math and biological engineering. I became a data scientist because I have a PhD in bioinformatics and computation and systems biology. Most data scientists I know don't have a computer science degree. They have like other technical degrees. So if I pecker build now, will it do it with the name? What name is this going to give it? Yeah, I actually have a, well, I don't have a full blog post of my journey, but I've been meaning to write one. Because I get a lot of questions about, like, should I do a master's? And I'm like, if you really feel like it, it's not necessarily recommended, I would say. I almost had a T. I'm your first PhD streamer? Sweet. There's a few of us out there. We do what we can to spread the good word of PhDs. Let me start a Geo launch VO4. And this should have... What's it gonna have? I forget what I added to this. I think I added... What does this file say is changed? Oh, I moved Anaconda to the top. That's right. So let's actually commit that. Where am I? Yeah, let's not. Okay, let's go to code. What folder is that? Packet images. That's right. Status git add. Let's just commit -m. Move Anaconda path to v4 AWS credential getting. What's different in assets? Okay, it should be run after Agia launching the instance. Okay. Add assets. Update comment. Right, what did I change in the reflow.json? Diff reflow.json. Okay, git add reflow.json. Let's add the added timestamp to what is it? AMI ID. Okay, Agia sage Ubuntu at ogabot v reflow-vo4. When we started that assemble one, I have like so many windows open. I don't know what's going on. Okay. So am I on the assembly one? Okay, ogabot assemble. Okay, screen. Yeah, I'm still used to screen here. So, conda. Yes, Abyss2. If I do Abyss2, will that work? So Abyss is the genome assembler. Basically, I've been having issues with using this workflow manager to assemble my genome because annoying stuff happens. CD, this, if I do make tick one assembly, it'll probably break. Yeah, see? So here it breaks because, I don't know, some shit happens and I don't get it. Linux kernel CMA was requested via the VTL Vader single copy mechanism MCA variable. The CMA support is not available due to restrictive ptrace settings. I remember Googling this and be like, I don't know what you're trying to tell me. OpenMPI and shared memory. OpenMPI security paranoia about ptrace. So yeah, I tried adding this to my Docker image to echo 0 to proc sys kernel yama ptrace scope, this like magic folder, but the Docker image wouldn't build if I did that. So let's see if this, maybe I just need to say abyss. Say abyss 2 will just install. I realize that you don't really see the bottom of my like what I'm typing. There we go. Okay, abyss. So if I say abyss, cool. So I think if I do make tick one assembly, oh. Yeah, so I tried to run this is the command. Oh, but I have these files somewhere. God. Where are they? Gosh, they're somewhere. I think they're in like temp reflow or flow or something. Oh, mount cd mount data reflow temp that has everything. So objects. It's here. So it's probably the same. So 5E8, that's what tick1 R1 is, and 755 is the other one. Am I afraid of the future of machine learning? If I would be, I wouldn't have a job. Oh, so I freaking love this. Check out this feature from Exa. You can look LL and then do a -tree on the file. That's so awesome. So 5E is the tick1 R1, read one, and then 75 is the R2. So maybe if I do, gosh, will I scroll in here again? So it's some way you could, I forget. So I'm gonna just do this again. So I get the command. So I want to do make file, make another. Make tick1 assembly local assembly. No, I don't know why I'm not afraid of the future of machine learning. I think I just I don't know. I think it's just gonna be fine. I mean, I think it's gonna be a lot of oops. Reflow temp TMP objects. I think it's 5E, right? In this thing? Look, 8F. Wait, what? It was 5e and 75. I think that most I mean 75 slash this. Let's see weird to me. I thought I would prefix it. Alright. I guess I would have thought I'm okay with the future of machine learning. I think there's going to be a lot of advances that help people just like do their lives better. So yeah, I'm just like not too worried. Cool. Entering directory. Install yes. MPI? Do I need MPI or open MPI or whatever? Alright. This is all kinds of exciting. Hey, why is this not working? Why is my public key not working? What? Hello? I have to rebuild this? Three red Rex 3. The future of ML is FCM? What does FCM mean? Fire-based cloud messaging? I don't know what FCM means. Is this a Twitch thing? This is not helpful. What is... Okay. Oops. Let's get ls. Yeah, and look at everything that has my name in it. Okay, so there's a lot. We can probably close a lot of these. MPI? Oh. Oops, not OpenMI. Go to MPI. Finite context models. What are those? Alright, let me go to this person. It's not a paper. Whoa. The joy of finite context modeling? Oh my gosh. Right. I want a simple version. Someone explain me the pictures. Uses the previous M symbols to make the prediction. Ah, I see. So you have some kinds of, well, I guess that assumes linearity. So if you have some kind of linear string or linear information, then you use all the some n amount of previous information to understand it. That makes sense to me. If I do make tick symbol local, now what don't you like? Oh yeah, I do actually want to correct that. Which MPI run? Anaconda bin. Okay, Emacs. This makefile is getting so gnarly. What was it? Home run to Anaconda bin, I think. Yeah. All right. Cool. All right. New error. Please direction. Oh, let's just sudo it. Huh? Why is this not working? Why can't I sudo a BISP? Is sudo not sudo make to form assembly local? BISP is not found. Huh. Oops. Yes, it uses everything, and then it stops. Okay. If I run it, one or more process detected is non-zero status. Oh, I made one of those documents for it. What's it called? How many CPUs is this? 48. So process name this. God, I don't know how to deal with this. Boy. Help VTX Vader. As you can see, I've already been to some of these links and tried to fix this. Why can't I still not do this? Why am I not allowed to sudo? What's going on? What? Alright, I can't see I've seen this particular message video before, but I checked our CI environment. We have the ptrace scope setting in proc set to 0, so this seems like a reasonable fix. Note that CMA and other technologies like LIMIC are about enabling zero copy for shared memory transfers. If you don't enable it, you can still leverage shared memory, transfers on node, but you pay an extra cost that typically manifests as a latency increase in MPI transfers. Wait, I don't know what's happening. Excuse me. I have no idea what to do here. How do I set this MCA parameter? How do you do that? Is that... So I would say like OPI info param here MPI this. This is so weird. I don't know what's happening. Level 9. Okay. So how do I set a particular one? We set in the usual ways. Ew, that's not helpful. Like, how do I actually set them? I think I run MCA this 0. Okay. So I say dash MCA thing. Dash MCA 0. 2, 1, assembly local. Permission denied. Okay, well I tried this. Sudo chmod 0 plus r dash r this. I forget if it's. Now everyone can read it. Ooh, new error. Yes. Okay, cool. So this FASTQ file is not compressed. Fun. Okay. Or it's compressed and it can't deal with compressive ones. So abyss PE man page. Abyss PE not PA. Okay. gzip. How do I say that they're gzipped? Zip. GZ. Assembler reads maybe FASTA, FASTQ, QSeq, export, SRA, SAM, or BAM format may be compressed. GZ, BZ2, or XEM may be tarred. So shouldn't you detect that it was gzipped then? I shouldn't have to tell you. Yeah, compressed didn't find me anything. This PE. Oh, yes. Oops, what did I just do? Did I just kill my terminal? Damn. Great. What machine learning models have I used throughout my career? I do mostly simple stuff. So like PCA, random forests, some classification stuff with like TF-IDF. I like more computer science-y things that are like hashing, so I'm really into hashing right now. Like taking a randomly subsampling DNA words from a sample. I want to get some, but I've used a bit of deep learning stuff, but really I'm doing like, I guess more analysis, more like bioinformatics style stuff of like assembly, kind of more like card carrying classic bioinformatics stuff. Oh, maybe I just read it like flat files because I couldn't detect the freaking file name. Okay. Whoa. What am I? Tail. Let's look this into this make file. One. This one. SQGZ. Yes. Just this to take one S1 R2 of the S cube. No. Okay, Emacs 2. Oops. Let's update this make file. 3 Rhetorics. 3. What kind of machine learning models have you used? Or are you interested in using? Wait, like. Actually, I cannot see what I'm typing. Okay. S1 R1 SQGZ. And then this one next. R2. Well, my screen is like being really messed up. I don't know what this is showing. Yeah, I only said to use like 40. 40 threads, or 44 maybe? Yeah, I said to use just 44 threads. I didn't want to do so much. Alright. Back to this other thing we're trying to do. We're trying to get a launch. What 05? Because I was not able to log into it. I do not know what's happening. Oh, I'm pretty tired. Even though I had my tea, I did dance yesterday. I had a dance performance yesterday, so I'm pretty tired from that. Because, yeah, you just do a lot. Okay, let's try and run to at ogabot-reflow-vo5. Please work with my public key. I don't get why it didn't work before. That was really weird. This is your C, command not found Python. Alright, cool. So, couldn't find my command Python, so what? Excuse me. Note. Okay. So Emacs C. Oh wait, actually, Emacs new. I'm gonna keep all these commands now. Let's see. So this is all the things I did not understand. Okay. So I need to get to line 102. Okay, so that was this. Wait. Here's 102, yeah. But Where's my anaconda stuff? I thought I moved it. Hey, Liberian Warlord, how's it going? Alright, what is happening? Okay. Okay, so I'm supposed to export my path, but maybe it's not in my HRC? I don't know. Oh, because I didn't have my RC file defined. Haha, that makes sense. Okay. Liberian Warlord, I'm pretty good. Just tired. And confused, because computers are confusing. Let's build this again. I'm the most educated streamer? Sure. I got hella degrees. I have my degrees posted up. I only have 3 of them up. I have 4 normally. Well, I do have 4 total. Oh gosh, I'm so tired. This is really annoying. I wish this would just work. I need to deploy this to people. Yeah, maybe this T-tmux thing is going to be a little too much. I feel like that's a nice to have versus a need to have. I always have trouble telling those apart. This is assembly going. This is going. That's cool. Why is my YouTube channel empty? Because Twitch won't export anything, and I don't know why. I don't get it. Like when I go to, every time I try to export, it just fails. It'll say your Twitch export failed. I don't get it. Yeah. Check. I think I have to use my personal email. Yeah, Twitch export to YouTube failed again. Because the title was invalid? YouTube's title requirements. Okay, that's interesting. If I export... Let me try this again. Maybe it's too long. Okay, I'm gonna try do some exporting again. Maybe this will finally work. So I should put some tutorials there. What kind of tutorials would you like to see? Ugh. These are still building. Data visualization? Yeah, a lot of people like or want data visualization tutorials. Why is this pack riffing not going? Can I source this? Source, oh, this is not appearing here anymore. Source, reflow, code file, message. Where is this place? What place? The place that I physically am in? I'm at my house. Am I killing people at behind? I don't know what that means. Oh, behind the black backdrop? Oh. Ew, I see. No, it's just my room's messy. I don't want people to see it, because that's embarrassing. And plus then I have to actually keep my room clean, which is really the problem. Alright, let's launch this. IKEA launch. We have to oh, 6 now. Yeah, I don't like having... I keep my office like neat enough, but I don't know, you just can't really judge on the internet. So I'd rather have a curtain and not get judged. That's what I do. No, I live with my partner, but this is my office. He has his own office. So I can do whatever whatever I want in my office. Gosh, this takes so forever to launch. So annoying. It's kind of excited that Geo is getting assembled. Oh man, I'm really tired. Why does this H-top look so weird? Like reformat. There we go. Okay, so I'm not using that much memory yet. What do I mean partner? Yeah, my boyfriend? Yeah. I like the term partner better. I feel like it conveys a stronger relationship, or a stronger bond than boyfriend, I feel. So I like the term partner. Okay. J1 here. This screen session's so messed up. Like, what are these commands? Like, what are all these question marks? What is happening here? I do not get it. So weird. There's junk in there. Okay. Just launch. Yay, it launched. Okay. Now we can IKEA SH to a repo 06. Don't correct my .ssh. Alright. No module name Boto 3. Sweet, okay, new error. Okay, so make Honda install. Pip install -r requirements. Okay, so it didn't install this Boto 3 library, so we need to do it again. Are we living in San Francisco? We live in the San Francisco Bay Area, but we live in the suburbs. I work in SF though, but today I'm working from home because I didn't want to deal with traffic. Yeah, I just really didn't want to deal with it. Gosh, these always take so long to build. Super annoying. this would content install everything. No, I guess not. I'm getting so confused. I think I'm just hungry. I haven't really eaten lunch today. I had a bunch of carrots and peanut butter for lunch. And I had a good breakfast. I had my oatmeal and apples and stuff, but I'm hungry. Do I have the option to work remotely whenever I want? I work remotely at least 1 day a week, usually 2, up to 3. I find that if I do 3 days a week, I feel pretty disconnected from the rest of the work. So I like doing 1 to 2 days really, but it ranges 1 to 3. But yeah, whenever I need to work remotely, I work remotely. I just need to make sure I have taken care of the things I need to take care of. Okay. Where's my test command for Augmenti? Cool. New error. What is this? This is the Boto 3. The disease genes are crying at the office right now. Yeah. They're crying all by themselves. I'm okay with that though. Okay, so, but if I have this stuff configured properly, will it work? Where's all my config stuff? Yeah, this is what I want. Oh, I have to like unset all this shit. Unset. Excuse me. Unset AWS default region, AWS access key ID, AWS secret access key, AWS session token, and AWS. Is there anything called AWS? That's fine. I'm cool with those. Yay! Okay. So if I go here, no error. Reflow run batch. Does this work? Rawr. Not dot reflow profile. Reflow profile. Access denied user. What? I'm not authorized to perform this? I think that should be okay. I think it's working. Oop, nope. Ooh, yay! New error. Sweet. Okay. So, okay, so I don't want the reflow setup dynamdb, whatever, blah, blah, blah. I just want git add script, or I need assets. -m. Don't do setup dynamodb. Assoc. Okay, good. What's different in the reflow script? Oh. Git add. Script reflow. Git command function. Oops. What do I want to say? What changed? Like installing Anaconda or RC file stuff, profile stuff. Setup fixes. Okay, so we're gonna again launch 07, but I actually want to build it again because we fixed a couple of things. And what's the ID it gets? CZ Biohub reflow. I was wondering if it gets the colon or the dot. Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, well, I hope you've enjoyed this realistic data science slash, yeah, biology slash computer science stream so far, because it's a lot of fixing shit that doesn't work and making it work. But that's about all the time we have for today. Thank you all for joining me, trying to help me out with some T-mux. And help me out with screen capturing stuff, because that keycap thing is pretty useful. Alright, thank you all. See you later.